Welcome to Mampu AI. In this tutorial, we'll connect to Google Sheets and Inbound Webhooks. Start by opening Integrations. Select Google Sheets and connect your Google account. Once connected, your Google account will appear here. Select the spreadsheet that will receive your lead data. The spreadsheet is now ready to receive data from completed flows. Now, let's complete the flow using a new Facebook test contact. After the flow is completed, the new contact is added to the connected Google Sheet. If the same contact completes the flow again, their information can be updated in the existing row. The existing contact record has been updated. To stop the integration, return to Integrations and disconnect Google Sheets. Next, we'll create Inbound Webhooks. Open Inbound Webhooks and create a new webhook. Enter a name, choose the provider, select the target inbox, and enable the webhook. Next, map the incoming payload fields to the corresponding contact information. Then, choose the action should perform when the webhook is triggered. Save the webhook and copy the generated endpoint URL. Use an external system such as Postman to send a test JSON request to the endpoint. Send the request and confirm that Postman returns a successful response. You can then verify the configured action on the matched contact. Next, we'll connect AI provider keys for OpenAI, Claude, and DeepSeek.